Hello children, in this session we'll discuss about electrochemistry assignment 2. In this assignment you have 10 single correct option questions where you have to select one option as the correct one out of given 4 options. The first question goes like this. The flow of electric current through the metallic conductors is due to the flow of, yes, electrons. Always metals conduct electricity by means of electrons. Second, the ability of certain materials to conduct electric current with practical zero resistance at low temperature. This is first time observed by the scientist. Yes? Yes. It is none other than H.K. Owens. Which of the following are examples of superconductivity? So commonly they have given nanotubes. Yes, they are superconducting substances. Next, they also have given alloy, particularly made up of niobium and titanium. Yes, even that. Next is fullerenes. Even fullerenes is the correct option. So you have to go for the option 4, that is all the above. Next, electronic conductance depends upon. Children, always electronic conductance depends upon the nature and the structure of the metal. So that is first option, the nature and structure of the metal. Next, fifth question. The substance which allows the electricity to pass through them by undergoing chemical decomposition, means when you pass the electricity through that substance, the electricity should pass as well as chemical decomposition has to be observed. Such type of conductors are called as, yes, that's nothing but electrolytic conductors. Very good. That is option 3. Next, sixth one, assertion reason type. Here the assertion and the reason you have to observe and tell whether the reason is correct explanation for the given assertion or not. Assertion. A fused ionic compounds conduct electricity. Yes, what is meant by fused? Fused means, in other words, you will be taking it as molten condition. Example, you can take NaCl. So in this molten condition, you will be having Na plus and Cl minus, which make them responsible for flow of the current. These ions are responsible. The ions like Na plus and Cl minus are responsible for the flow of current. So this is assertion is true as well as reason is true, and hence reason is also a correct explanation. Why? Because these ions conduct electricity. In fused state, free ions are available and this helps in the conduction of electricity. So you have to go for the option 1. Yes. What are mixed conductors? Commonly in a mixed conductors, you will be having a metal dissolved in some electrolytes. So here you have Na, sodium and liquid ammonia. So the first option, aqueous solution of H2SO4, is wrong. Fused sodium hydride, yes, that is also wrong. A solution of sodium in liquid ammonia, yes, that is the correct option. Next, we'll go for the 8th question. Solid NaCl is not a conductor of electricity. Why? First, we'll find the reason. Solid NaCl. Solid NaCl means this is ionic compound. So commonly, ionic compounds are crystalline structures where each Na plus is surrounded by fixed number of Cl minus ions. So they are rigid. They have a strong electrostatic force of attraction between them. So they are rigid. So we'll see here solid NaCl is a covalent compound. No, it is an ionic compound. The solid state has no ions. Yes, it has ions. In solid NaCl, there is no migration of ions. This is true. They are fixed because of strong electrostatic force of attraction between them. So coming to the 9th question. With increase in the temperature, the electric conduction of the metallic conductor. So what happens to the metals? When the metals are present, when electricity is passed through them, this is conducted by the electrons. So when a metal is heated, expansion takes place, and in this expansion the electrons will get away from each other, because of which the conducting decreases. Yes, it decreases. So the option 2. 10th question. It is a statement wise. Okay, the covalent compounds do not conduct electricity. We'll see a covalent compound. When you take a covalent compound like the glucose, C6H12O6. Have you ever seen it forming into the ions? No, we are not aware of it. So it cannot form the ions. So electrolytic conductors means there should be the ions to conduct electricity. Now let's read the statements. The covalent compounds do not conduct electricity. Yes, the covalent compounds do not produce free ions and positive and negative ions. So this is the reason, because of no ions they cannot conduct electricity. Okay, so thank you children. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you.